Welcome back to Crypto Warehouse. This is Mike, and today we're going to go over the AMA with Kris from Crypto.com, where he dropped some very exciting news about developments at Crypto.com. In a nutshell, I will cover the AI integration, what Kris sees as success for Crypto.com, some news about the Visa card and NFT marketplace, and some updates on their exposure and regulation in the banking industry and financial markets. And finally, when Kris thinks the bull run will start. Before I do any of that, can I please ask you to subscribe to our Crypto Warehouse YouTube channel, where we make videos on all the latest crypto news, meme coins, and new projects. So I'll try and keep this brief. Kris spoke to Steve, the CMO, this morning about new developments at Crypto.com, and the first thing that was asked was to do with Amy. Amy is the new AI bot that has been integrated into Crypto.com/price. You will be able to speak to Amy, an AI that was introduced to help with navigating prices and tokens. In addition to AI helping you, what I found very interesting was the way that Kris was talking about how AI was going to be integrated throughout the Crypto.com business. He was talking about integrating it with development with GPT-4, as well as A/B testing, and in addition, helping with the mass influx of customers in the next bull run by having AI customer support. I realise that people like Binance already have this, but to see the level to which Crypto.com are going to integrate AI, it holds it in good stead in my opinion. In addition to this, Crypto.com have also invested in an AI company, which will give them first-hand access to any new developments in the AI industry. Secondly, Kris was asked what his measure of success was for Crypto.com. His answer was very concise. Number 1, building in the bear market. Number 2, scaling. And number 3, aiming for 250 million users. This is what he considers to be Crypto.com's success. The next few questions he was asked were to do with the NFT marketplace and the Visa card. If we look at the Visa card, I think that's been the bone of contention for an awful lot of Crypto.com users, in the fact that a lot of the perks have been cut. The yield that you get from staking your CRO has dropped in some instances from 12% to 8%. He explained very simply that perks will increase with trading volume on the platform, and what they do is they take a percentage of the trading profits and use that to bulk up the perks on the card. With regards to the NFT marketplace, this is something I don't really use. I have looked around it. I have got some of the commemorative NFTs. I'll put some pictures on the screen. It's very clear what Kris is trying to do. He is building a retail NFT marketplace with a simplified UI. I completely agree with this, and this is something we've been talking about on this channel for at least the last 9 months. You don't want to give people too many options in terms of having to download a wallet, having to pay gas fees, having to work out what chain it's on. With the Crypto.com NFT marketplace, you don't have to do any of that. You go in through your existing wallet, you buy the NFT, and you have it on your account. This is something I might add that Coinbase has been trying to do and has failed at doing for the last 12 months. Moving on to questions about exposure and regulation, I think it's important to note that Crypto.com had zero exposure to the collapses which happened, and it's also very clear from what Kris was saying that crypto, not necessarily Crypto.com, but crypto can protect you from your banks. You have nowhere to hide when your bank crashes, but if you have your crypto in a non-custodial wallet, those funds will be forever safe. The strategy of Crypto.com is to concentrate on anti-money laundering, know your customer, and regulation. And this puts Crypto.com in a better position than most. Whenever the market turns, Crypto.com will be ready. Kris was asked when he expects the next bull run to be. Although he didn't give a specific answer, he did say that both Crypto.com and you should be ready for when the market turns. From listening to him, I believe he expects it to be 4 quarters away, which ties in with the next Bitcoin halving. And probably if you look towards the end of 2024, beginning of 2025, he's probably right. If you want to head over and watch the real AMA It's about 35 minutes. I'll leave a link to the Twitter account below. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Crypto Warehouse. Thank you.